Good morning guys, in front of me is AGM Pad P2 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first open your phone dealer and here we will be entering the codes. Let's start with the shortest, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, this one allows you to check device information, so whenever you want to check email or serial number, it's right in front of you. Tap on OK. And now the code for calendar info, and it's *pound 225 pound *. And here you've got all upcoming events that are saved in every calendar that you have connected with your tablet. So it's truly useful. Let me go back. And the last one that I would like to show you today, it's *pound 426 pound *. And here you've got FCM diagnostics, in which you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, use this more icon, just tap and click on advanced view. As you can see now, you can gain even more details. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.